Hello guys, my name is Ken here at Programming House. Today we'll be looking at how to copy a file to a certain directory using Python. So I'll create a Python file tut.py, then I'll create the file. I will call it, this is the file that will be copying now. So I'll call it text1. Then inside it I'll have some specific text. Please subscribe. Then now I will create the folder. I call it backup. So that this is a file that will be copying to the backup folder. So we'll cancel. Then here we'll import the shutil module. I will also import the OS module. Now if we'll try and check the current working directory, I will find that the current working directory is not where right now the file is residing. So it's not the directory where the file tut.py is residing. So we can just have a check at it. So we'll print OS, then we call the method get current working directory. Then we will try running the file and realize that this is the current working directory. So we'll need to change the working directory to the file system folder. So to do that, we'll call change directory function, then we'll change it to our working directory file system. Now let's try again and check where our directory is. As you can see, now the current working directory is the directory where we have our files, tut file, backup folder, and our text to be copied. So now after we've changed our directory, we'll define the file to copy. So our file to copy is text1, then destination folder is equals to backup. Now once we have the two variables set, we'll call our shutil dot copy, then we'll supply the file that we want to copy on the destination folder. Then I think now we can comment our print current directory. So if we try running, as you can see, there's nothing here in the file in the backup folder. So if we run, we'll see it's being copied. This is programming. This channel is Programming House. Please subscribe. So that is it, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe.